today I have an HTML tutorial for you today that involves changing the icons in your HTML layout. So I was doing a little bit of research to find out some alternatives to icons in my HTML theme, and there are quite a few. Some of them I liked that would offer better options were CoreUIicons. The Google ones were very good, but I just decided for ease of use just to stick with the Bootstrap icons available on getbootstrap.com. I like the fact that you can just filter by keyword, and the instructions are really easy if your HTML is Bootstrap ready. So I just copy the style sheet reference and paste it into the header of my HTML page, which was right here. I put it right here. And then I go down to where my icon reference is, search by keyword. I'll just use something like this, archive fill. Copy the class reference. There are other options as well for using these icons. You can change the aesthetics, the colors, the sizes, etc. I'm not going to review that in this tutorial, but those options are there, and the instructions are really good on the site. So then I go to my reference, my class reference for the icon itself, and right now it's, let's see, right now it's an image, and I'm gonna change it to a file box. There it is. So they work really well. Like I said, I'll put some of these other really good options in the links below to this video, and I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please give me a big like, please subscribe, and comment below. I look forward to hearing from you.